Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Lego Gingerbread House is probably one of the most iconic and beloved Lego sets, capturing the charm of a classic holiday treat in intricate brick detail. In this video, we will explore this enchanting build, examining its features, challenges, and overall value, providing you with a comprehensive review to help you decide if this delightful Lego creation should grace your holiday display. Number 5. Lego Creator Gingerbread House 10267. It's time for family fun. Build this delightful Lego gingerbread house together and create festive memories that will last a lifetime. This charming house is perfect for the holidays. Kids of all ages will love it, and it makes a wonderful centerpiece. Look at all the incredible details. It features frosted roofs, colorful candy cane columns, glittery windows, and even a glowing fireplace. It includes adorable gingerbread figures, candy furniture, a baby carriage, snow blower, holiday tree, rocking horse, and a toy train. So much to play with. This is a fantastic building experience for ages 16 and up. It's challenging and rewarding, and the whole family can enjoy the process. Once complete, it stands over 8 inches high, 10 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It's a stunning centerpiece to display proudly. What we like? It boasts over 1,400 pieces and incredible details, offering a challenging yet rewarding build for ages 16 plus. If you are looking for a fun family activity and a stunning centerpiece, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for families who enjoy collaborative building projects and creating festive decorations. What people say. It is a fun build and everyone enjoys the charming cottage on display for Christmas. The grandkids love the little gingerbread people and gently playing in the house, also the interior is cute. Great quality, all pieces included and great family fun to have something to do together for the holiday. My husband and I bought this set when we were pregnant with our firstborn. It's been nearly 2.5 years, so we've spent 2 holiday seasons taking this out and rebuilding it. It was the start to our Christmas village and we look forward to making the rebuild of this set, and other holiday sets, a tradition with our little family. Number 4. LIGHTAILING Light Set for 10267. This light set is designed to illuminate your Creator Gingerbread House building blocks model. It's the perfect way to add a magical glow to your creation. Each light set is carefully handcrafted using high-quality materials. It includes a USB light kit, instruction guide, and battery box for easy setup. Installing the lights is simple and intuitive. Just follow the included instructions, and you'll have your gingerbread house beautifully lit in no time. You can power it with 3 AA batteries or a USB charger. Just remember to use a voltage under 5V to prevent damage. Handle the lights with care, avoid pulling, bending, or shaking them. This will ensure that it continues to shine brightly for years to come. Let your imagination run wild and bring your Lego creations to life with this amazing light kit. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like? This light kit is made with original materials and is easy to install. If you've already built the house and want to enhance it, this will add a magical glow. It's perfect for those who want to add a unique touch to their creation without complicated installations. What people say. This takes your work from cool to amazing and magical. Obviously you're working with teeny tiny items, so patience and breaks are key. The final effect is awesome though. Overall added a special wow factor to the model. Number 3. Lego Gingerbread House LED Kit. This kit will dramatically enhance your Lego Gingerbread House. It's easy to install and will add a magical glow. Everything you need is included for a quick and simple setup. A detailed instruction manual is also provided. Follow the easy to understand instructions. You'll have your house beautifully lit in no time. It transforms your Lego model, adding a unique and stunning visual effect. Watch it come alive with light. We use only the highest quality components to ensure a long-lasting and vibrant light display. Your satisfaction is our priority. Most of our images are unedited, showing you exactly how it will look. Prepare to be amazed. Remember, this is only the LED lighting kit. The Lego Gingerbread House model is not included. What we like? Featuring a remote control and easy installation, it offers a professional lighting solution to enhance your model. If you want to showcase your creation with dynamic lighting effects, this is the perfect complement. It's great for those who appreciate convenience and high-quality lighting. What people say. Looks great on the gingerbread house. It can be a little difficult to put on. Would recommend installing the lights when the gingerbread is being built. An eye-catcher with different colors on the gingerbread house. Number 2. Lego Gingerbread Family. Get ready to meet the cutest gingerbread family ever. This charming set includes a mom, dad, and baby gingerbread minifigure, all ready to bring holiday cheer to your home. These aren't your average gingerbread cookies. Each minifigure is crafted with authentic Lego parts, bringing delightful detail to these festive characters. These delightful figures are sourced from the now-retired Lego Gingerbread House set, 10267, making them a rare and special find for collectors and builders alike. They come in loose pieces, so you can assemble your gingerbread family and proudly display them on their included stands. It's a fun and engaging activity for the whole family. These charming figures are the perfect addition to your holiday decorations. They're sure to bring smiles and festive spirit to your home this season. Please note that it contains small parts, making it unsuitable for children under 5 years old. Adult supervision is recommended during assembly and play. What we like. These are authentic Lego minifigures from the retired set. If you're a collector or want to add extra charm to your gingerbread house, these adorable figures are a must-have. They are perfect for those who appreciate authentic Lego pieces and want to enhance their existing set. What people say. The sticker was so sticky, everything was perfect. I really liked the set. Despite it coming in a plain paper packet without any protection, it made it to me with no trouble or breakage. Number 1. Lego Gingerbread House 10267. Get ready to build the sweetest holiday creation. This detailed Lego set brings the magic of a gingerbread house to life, complete with charming details and delightful surprises. It stands over 8 inches tall and is packed with intricate features. You'll be amazed by the level of detail in every candy cane column and frosted roof. 3 adorable gingerbread figures, a man, a woman, and a baby, await to move into their new home. They're ready for the holidays. The interior is just as delightful as the exterior, with a chocolate bed, cotton candy lamp, and even a bathtub. It's the perfect cozy holiday scene. Press the chimney button to light up the fireplace. It adds a magical touch to this already enchanting build. This Lego set is more than just a build, it's a festive experience you can enjoy year after year. It's the perfect holiday decoration. What we like. This model features a glowing fireplace and a detailed interior, bringing the festive scene to life. If you like intricate builds with lots of details and interactive elements, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate a high level of detail and interactive features. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.